Hi, this is Kiara from Pencil, and welcome to our series transitioning you from Zoom to Pencil Spaces. In today's tutorial, I will be demonstrating how to screen share in Pencil Spaces in comparison to Zoom. So here we are in Zoom. If you've used Zoom before, this may be familiar to you, but to screen share, I will go to the bottom of my screen, select Share Screen. I can then choose the screen I would like to share, and once I click Share, anyone else on the Zoom call with me will be able to see my screen. So now that we are back in Pencil Spaces, I'll be showing you how to share your screen here. So it is a very similar process to how you would share your screen in Zoom. I'm just going to go to the bottom of my participant box here and select Share Screen. From here, I can choose to share my entire screen, my window, or an individual Chrome tab, which is what I'm going to be doing today. So now anyone currently in my space with me will be able to see my screen. If I would like to view my screen in Pencil Spaces, I will go to the top and select View tab in Pencil Spaces. And now I can see my screen in my space. If I would like to expand this image for myself, I can go to Gallery View, and I can pin the video. And with this, I can see my screen on a larger scale while still being able to see the participants in my space. If I would like to expand my screen even further, I will click Full Screen. And now I have a larger view of my screen. To stop screen sharing, I will follow the same process. Find the screen share button at the bottom of your screen or your participant box and click Stop Screen Sharing. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to click the Help button found at the top right-hand side of your screen. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all things new at Pencil Spaces.